Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Power cycle both modem and router to clear memory and transient errors, then connect one device via Ethernet to measure baseline speed. This tells you if the ISP or Wi-Fi is the issue. Once done, reposition the router centrally and higher, away from metal surfaces and microwave ovens, because physical obstructions and interference greatly reduce range and throughput. Make sure firmware is up to date, so the device handles modern traffic efficiently. Next, you tune the network. Run a Wi-Fi analyzer and switch the 4 GHz channel to a less crowded band, or move high-use devices to 5 GHz to reduce interference. 5 GHz offers more throughput at shorter range. Then secure the network by enabling WPA2 or WPA3 and disabling WPS so unauthorized usage doesn't drain bandwidth. After that, configure quality of service rules to prioritize latency-sensitive traffic, like video calls. Finish by expanding and testing coverage. Deploy mesh nodes or access points with wired Ethernet backhaul when possible, because mesh without Ethernet can introduce latency. You want wired links between nodes for consistent throughput. Test performance with a single device to isolate issues, and reboot or factory reset only after saving settings. If lag persists, collect router logs and speed tests, then contact your ISP or replace aging hardware. A failing modem or router often causes intermittent drops, even after full optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.